I bought this neat little table saw, which is perfect if you're having a smaller shop like me and you don't want to waste a lot of storage space and still want to do some precision cuttings, which are not entirely huge. So I first tried to do some cuttings here in a plastic board, or actually that's the front of a loudspeaker, and the cut is actually pretty neat and square. So I kind of like working with this thing, because also this build quality of the machine is really nice. So next I tried with some very thin plywood, and actually, as you see here, I was having big trouble getting through the wood, and I was quite confused why this is happening. So I tried adjusting the position of the motor, so I thought maybe it is cutting like not straight something, because I already checked the position of this side here, and I was pretty confident that it is perfectly level. So also the measurement on the table is laser engraved, so I guess it's pretty good and correct. But still, after doing my very best of adjusting, it was absolutely impossible to do a cut in wood with this thing. I was pretty confused. And then I thought, like, maybe the saw blade itself is a problem, because it is really thin, and other than normal saws, which have teeth that are bent to the left and right to make a little bit of a wider cut than the saw itself, this thing is completely flat. So I tried bending the teeth outwards, but yeah, the blade is entirely hardened, so it just broke off. So I definitely needed to find another solution. Yeah, but still I can show you the inside of the machine, and it is built very simple, but actually really good. So it's just a DC motor and a belt and a bearing and some chamber where the sawdust is sucked out, and the saw blade is just fixed with one screw. And yeah, it is pretty sharp, but like you see here, it's just very thin. So I ordered a set of new saw blades, which have here on the right upper side, which has carbide tips like normal table saw blades have, but actually you only need this one with the 60mm bore in the middle and a 63mm outer diameter. And this is the saw now attached with the new saw blade, and these are the other blades that came in the set, like something to saw tiles and maybe some metal, which I think I don't do on that machine, and another blade exactly like the one that I broke. And this is now the result of sawing with the Carbide-Tipped blade. It works absolutely easy and has also no problem with a lot thicker material. In that case I'm just sawing this thin plywood stuff here. And yeah, even though it's a very small table saw, you have to be really careful, because the carbide tips are actually really sharp, or sharp enough to hurt your finger. This one piece had a little bit of wood fibers coming out, but nevertheless it's now possible to do really straight cuts and precise yeah, cutting. Hope that helped, and see you in the next one.